In the previous lecture, we built the HTML after content. In this lecture, we're going to style it. So we're going to add an image as a background to our section, then style the form elements. So in your CSS file, we're going to target the section. Um, so I'm going to type section and then after content. I'm going to add an overflow. I'm going to set this overflow, set this to hidden, and then the margin. Gonna add 50 pixels to the top, which is a space on the top, and then 0, 0, 0 and 0. And then I'm gonna add a padding of 80 pixels to the top and bottom, and 0 on the sides. Then I'm gonna add a color. The color is gonna be white. Now I'm gonna add the background. So we have to get out of the CSS folder, and remember we have to add the 2 dots and a backslash, and then go to the image folder, and then the first result is the image we need. Then we have to add center twice, separated by space, and then no repeat. No repeat. Okay. Let's save it and see what we have. Okay, we have our image there now. Now we need to gonna target the heading 2, which is the title. I'm gonna say margin, then 0 to the top, 0 to the right, and negative 10 pixels to the bottom, and then 0 to the left. Then I'm gonna add a text align property, and I'm gonna add center as value. Then the font size is gonna be 26 pixels, and let's save it. Refresh. Okay, now it has come to the middle. Okay. Now I'm gonna target the form wrapper. Okay, but it's called the form elements. I'm gonna add a padding, 20 pixels to the top, then 0, 0, and 0. And then a width of 760 pixels. Margin, 20 pixels to the top. Then auto, then 0, then auto again. Okay, let's save it. Refresh. Now the form has come to the middle too. Okay. Now let's remove all the spacing from the form. Margin 0. Okay. Now we're gonna target the form element, which is the input, and then select. So we're gonna add a padding, or we're gonna add spacing inside. It's gonna be 20 pixels to all sides, and then a margin right of 10 pixels. Border is gonna be 1 pixel solid, and then pound 333 for the color. And border radius is going to be 3 pixels, and the color is going to be 74, 74, 74. I think that's about it. Okay, let's save it, refresh. Okay, we don't. Yeah, there it is. Okay, now you can see the inputs are a little, you know, um, bigger. Okay, now the last thing we need to do is style the button. So I'm gonna add a color. The color is gonna be white, and then padding of 13 pixels to all sides. A background color is gonna be this color here. Border gonna be 1 pixels solid, and this is gonna be a new color, I believe. So it's gonna be AACCD9. Okay, now I'm gonna add the border radius. Gonna be 3 pixels too. Okay, let's save it, refresh. Something is wrong. Okay, I see that this shouldn't be a count. Let's go to our HTML file and change the account type. The account. Change it to select. Now save it. Okay, there it is. Now what we need to do is bring this to the middle. So I'm gonna add a class to it. I'm just gonna call it terms. So let's go to our CSS file. And I'm gonna add, the first thing I'm gonna add, I'm gonna align the text to the middle. Next, we got the margin top. We need to give it a space to the top so it won't be together. And then a font size. Font size is gonna be 14 pixels. That's it. Let's save it and refresh the page. Okay. Now everything looks good. Okay. Okay. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna build the footer.